Hey Algebra 1 students, this is Mrs. Richart. Today is going to be a really short lesson about distribution shapes. So there's three types of distributions we can have. One is symmetric. We can describe the shape of histograms, box plots, and dot plots. You might not be as familiar with histograms, and you're not going to have to create those by hand, but you'll be able to tell the shape by looking at them. In a symmetric distribution, the mean and the median are approximately equal. In this histogram, the data are evenly distributed. This is a symmetric distribution. In this box and whisker plot, the whiskers are the same length. The median is in the center of the data. 50% of the data is above and 50% of the data is below. Lastly, in this dot plot, the data is evenly distributed. So this is a symmetric distribution once again. We can also have skewed right distributions. We can have it for histograms, box plots, and dot plots. In a skewed right distribution, the mean is typically greater than the median. There are fewer data on the right side of this histogram. So there's very few data on the right side, but there's a lot of the data on the left side. The right whisker is longer than the left, and the median is closer to the shorter whisker. So this means that the mean is greater than that median. This is a skewed right distribution. The whisker on the right is longer. Here, there's fewer data on the right side than the left side in this dot plot. These are all examples of skewed right distributions. For skewed left distributions, for histograms, box plots, and dot plots, we have the opposite. In skewed left distributions, the median is typically greater than the mean. Here we have fewer data on the left side. So if you look at this, we have lots of data on the far right piled up, but there's very few on the left side. Similarly, the left whisker is longer than the right in this box and whisker plot. The median is closer to the shorter whisker. So the median is bigger than the mean. And lastly, there's fewer data on the left of this dot plot. And this up here should be skewed left. When we take a look at these histograms, just to compare all of them at the same time, in a skewed left distribution, the mean and the median are shown. So in a skewed left distribution, we have the tail is on the left side. In this case, the mean is less than the median. In a symmetric distribution like this, the mean is approximately equal to the median. In a skewed right distribution, the tail is on the right side, and the mean is bigger than the median. Looking at this, we have skewed to the left. Once again, we have our tail on the left side, symmetric, the tails are equal, and on this last one, we have skewed right. The tail is on the right side. So, to recap, skewed right is tail is longer on the right side, symmetric, tails on both sides are equal length, and skewed left, the tail is longer on left side. Now let's go ahead and go to your Schoology and do some practice and let your teacher know if you have questions. Have a great day.